What the hell is that? What the hell is that? What's that dang thing doing here? How did that get here? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? How did that dang deal get here? Hey, come over here and look at this deal. What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell that is. What the hell is that? Hey, you kid, get away from there. I was not messing with that thing. Don't put your lips on it. Well, get a photo of me with it anyway. Be careful with that thing.
Hey everybody, Don here, the original, the one and only Moto Giant. I would like to thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button below, and once you do that, hit the share button, and share this with your friends. I'm sure some of your friends might enjoy it too, and once you get all that done, then you can click on the subscribe button, and right next to that, after you subscribe, you can click on that bell to get notifications when I put new videos out. The only way this channel is going to grow is if people like, share, and subscribe, and that kind of makes me happy. So do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!